What's up, guys? We got a 2015 Honda Civic. We're gonna replace the engine air filter that's inside this box that just won't come out. Earlier you just didn't want to stay in the box. Anyways, this is what the filter looked like. There you go. And there should be a part number on this baby somewhere. Okay, there you go. PTC. Anyways, tools. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. That'd be the cheapest way to do this. But usually these will lock up over time. That's why we're gonna use this 8mm socket, and we're gonna use our electric drill. You can use a ratchet. So pretty much, remove this bolt. There's one here. There's one here, and then there's one down back here. Okay, that's everything. Okay, and these bolts won't come out all the way, so you're just gonna lift them up and they just stand up. Same thing here. Okay, don't worry about the sensor or anything. So pretty much very simple and easy. You see the axis you have here to change this filter? You grab this guy, you pull this guy out, and this guy comes out. That's what it looked like. There you go. That's the filter on this baby. And we can just let this thing sit to the side here, and if there's any leaves and stuff in here, clean it up. Other than that, you just want to grab your filter, the new one here. Remember, you see, look at the edge, this side and this side. Okay, so this side, which is this here, this filter is going to go in just in the same manner. So let's hold this baby up, and we're going to take our filter and just slide it right in, just like that. Bring this cover back down, make sure it sits flush. Don't yank too much on these wiring, so you should be all right. And after that, just try to catch one or two thread, and that's how simple this baby is. You should do this every 15 to 20,000 miles. The reason is because it's gonna get dirty and it's gonna choke, burn extra gas. So within a few tanks of gas, let's say you're within 10 tanks of gas, you're gonna burn more gas than the actual cost of this filter. You can pick up this filter for like $12 to $15 and save yourself a headache. Do it yourself. Don't go to the dealer. They'll charge you $50, $60 just to install it. So there you go. Thank you for watching.